Ubak Vincent H. Pala, Presiden ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, ulaong baka Jing Kiew Jong ka Petrol haka jela, kablakot siya ka shispa tingkatam, kala penlengo tang ye ki Paidbah, Henry wat ye ki try jong ki Petrol pom ru, namar ba kini ki try jong ki Petrol pom, kin haban keliang no ye ki machine haki Petrol pom. Ubak Pala, ulaong baka Jing haban keliang jong ki try Petrol pom ye ki machine, kalong namar baki engineer ki balas na ya kane ka machine ru, kim jupoi perkhat baha India baka dor jong ka Petrol, kan tam ya ka shispa. Da ka ba ulaong, kumba kalong mentah ha India, ki machine ha ki Petrol pom ki don tang R digit, Henry mentah ki ladon kam ya ki machine ki badon ya ki light digit, bat kane ka Jing Kiew dor jong ka Petrol, kan don ka Jing Ktah ka bajur ya ki Riewlum, namar ba baro ki Jing don kam ki dei ki bawan lengba ki surok. Ula benrap syusyu ba haba ki Petrol bat ki diesel ki Kiew, kin Ktah jur ya ukup shiliang usam shiliang, ha ka ba ka yok ka kot ka kamtam, ha ki than nong kendong kan sniu bha. Na kaliang ka Kongres ha ka jela, kala dei ban yasno ya ka Jing yakhi, harangkat bat ki wei ki kenhun, ki bala yakhi ha ki wei pat ki jela, ban persya ya ka Jing Kiew dor ka Petrol, Henry namar badang don ka SOP COVID, ngimla ban le kumta menta ka kenti ulaong.
We have crossed more than 100 rupees. I am told I was in touch with the officer. Even the machines has to be replaced because the people in India or even the engineers who designed the machine, they will never expect that the petrol will be crossed more than 100. So the day I was in touch with the officers, they have to change a lot of machines also because as of now the machines are only up to 2 digits, 80, 90. Now it has crossed 3 digits. So even the machines has to change also. And this will have a very bad impact, especially people in travel areas, because our only main communications is road and through car, through vehicles, through bus, through trucks. So once the diesel and the petrol is increased, definitely it will impact the common people. The inflation will be high, the economy in the rural area will be bad, and definitely it will impact. We are supposed to have a series of agitation on this price rise also, and the fuel price rise also, but because of the code of conduct in different areas, because of election, I think we'll do it next.